How to add and create your signature on Yahoo Mail app. Hello guys, all what you have to do is simple. Go to Yahoo Mail. Now go to the top corner, click on your profile picture. Now go down, click on settings. After you click on settings, it will take you to this page. All what you have to do is scroll down until you find the signatures option. Click on it. And now from here you can manage your signature easily. As you can see, if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.